Hey guys, in today's video, we're comparing Google AI text-to-speech with some of the top AI voice generators available in 2026. If you're trying to decide which platform is right for your projects, this comparison will help you understand the key differences. So let's get started. Google AI text-to-speech is designed to generate natural, high-quality voices for apps, videos, AI assistants, and other digital experiences. It supports a wide range of languages and accents, making it a great choice for developers and content creators who need global language support. It also integrates smoothly with Google's AI tools and cloud services, making setup simple for many users. One of its biggest competitors is 11 Labs. It's well known for producing highly realistic voices and advanced voice cloning. If your goal is to create YouTube narrations, audiobooks, or podcasts that sound almost human, 11 Labs is one of the strongest options available. Another popular alternative is OpenAI's text-to-speech. It offers expressive and natural-sounding voices with low latency, making it ideal for AI assistants, customer support bots, and real-time conversational applications. For businesses, Microsoft Azure AI Speech provides enterprise-level features, including custom voice creation, strong security, and support for many languages. It's commonly used in large-scale commercial applications. There's also Amazon Polly, which remains a reliable option for developers. It offers affordable pricing, multiple voice styles, and easy integration with AWS services, making it suitable for websites, mobile apps, and accessibility solutions. So, which one is the best? If you're already using Google's ecosystem, Google AI Text-to-Speech is an excellent choice thanks to its high-quality voices and seamless integration. If you want the most realistic narration, 11 Labs stands out. For enterprise solutions, Microsoft Azure AI Speech is a strong contender, while OpenAI and Amazon Polly are excellent choices depending on your specific requirements. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, comparisons, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.